I got this car mount from Banana. Have a look. On the side, maximum width 90mm, fully extended. This is how it looks like. So it has a stretch rod, silicone anti-skid, prevent the shaking, telescopic adjustment, triangle fix. So some of the parameters: clamp arm range from 60 to 90mm, telescopic range 67mm, ball head adjustment 360 degrees, and adjust angle 210 degrees. Basically, car phone holder. The top, just the Banana branding, and that's it. So let's see how it looks like, right? Let's go. Very simple packaging, no foam, no dividers, nothing. Just two pieces in a plastic wrapper. Now let me show you guys how to put it together. So first of all, you have a twisted knob here. So this section just extends it to the desired position. Then you lock it. Open it up. Lock it. Same with here. Another lever. You open it up. Okay. Then you lock it. Alright. So again, this is the surface area. To get it sucked up, I'm sure you know all these things already. So you just place it, and then there. You place it on the surface area. Do that. It should be locked up solid. Alright. We'll do that later on. Now, to place the holder itself, you open up this place. Open it up real good. You just force it in. That's it. Then you tighten it up. Twist and tight. Nice and tight. There you go. Loosen it up a little bit. Then you position it the way you want it positioned. Let's just leave it like this. This should be okay for demonstration purposes. Okay. Right? That's it. Y'all see it? Now, like I said, you can even extend it a little bit further. Just open up down here. You can extend it closer to you in your car. So let me just lock it a little bit here. Okay, you just press that and you got it open. So once you place the phone in, pop, it locks in. All right, so let me get a phone and I'll be right back. Got me a phone. Let's just all right, so there you have it. So you just press that, place in your phone, push it in, and it's locked. And do it again. You place it in like that, push it in. You heard that? So it's locked in. So if you want to remove it, you just press this button. There's one here, there's another one on the other side. Just press it in, and that's it. You got your phone out. Put it in, press it in, it's locked in. Are we good? Very simple. So that's it, folks. Nothing too fancy, but there it is. Now let me see if I can have it stick on this surface. That'll be great, huh? Alright, I peeled off the thing on the back here. And just, yeah, now it's there it is, and lock it in. Oh, that is locked and loaded. This ain't going anywhere. The phone here. That is, man. Not bad, right? Just release that, and there you go. So it's a little bit sticky here. It's quite sticky, and it's a suction cup at the same time. So this will lock on its own perfectly. Let me know what you think, all right? Let me know what you think. It's not the strongest material. However, for the price, 20 CDs, 30 CDs, but tell me what you think about it, because I need one of these in my car. I'm gonna rock mine on the sideways like that. Yeah, because I don't want to Uberize my car. All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Peace.